Hey guys, today we'll be trying the chicken and waffles, raisins, breadstick, and kiwi. So, I'm gonna try the chicken first before it gets served up. Let's give this chicken a try. Who's got a knife? I need a knife. That is really good. Chicken's really crispy. Chicken tastes like chicken. Alright, let's try these waffles. What?
Who the fuck eats waffles? What? You, clearly. I wonder if anyone got that Mediterranean Sea joke.
What?
I wonder if anyone got that Mediterranean Sea joke.
Probably. You have to explain it to me.
Alright. Well, the Mediterranean Sea is the sea between Europe and Africa. And I said, the joke was, what's in between humans and animals? The Mediterranean Sea.
Oh my gosh, I get it now. The waffle's really good. Really soft. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, why is it so soft? Are they good soft or bad soft?
Good soft. These taste like pancakes, not waffles. Okay. Let's see. So now we have this breadstick from the Chaparral
Oh my god!
cafeteria.
It's Nacho Libre. Nacho Libre is playing. Look.
Record that.
Libre. It's Nacho Libre. This is my big impersonation.
Record him. You didn't record him, dude. Come on. Okay. That bread was terrible. I'm not gonna describe it. It's just terrible. Just don't get it. Now we got these sun-made raisins.
Back to the day from your friendly neighborhood white boy.
How old do you think that?
Raisins are actually just dried grapes.
Are they really? Oh, guys. So it turns out raisins are just... Fuck off. I'm sorry, I just said that.
You're fucking yelling at your sickness. Fuck off. You're like throwing up. Fuck off.
So it turns out raisins are dried grapes. I learn something new every day. Don't know how to describe them, but they're pretty damn good. How old do you think the sun-made raisins lady is?
She doesn't look that old. Like,
Privacy, guys.
actually, no, that joke just makes sense.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna try the.
But I know more facts than you. I know that raisins are fucking grapes.
So do I.
Oh yeah, you learned that fucking from me.
Now we're going to try this kiwi.
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 It is currently real Kiwi hours. Nice.
That was weird.
It is currently real Kiwi hours. Repost so we can appreciate our kiwis.
Tastes like kiwi dipped in apple juice.
Dipped in apple juice. Probably preserved.
Watch me take another bite of this
That'd probably be a
chicken.
really nice use for apple juice as a preservative.
Come on.
Looks like your milk's going bad. Dip it in fucking apple juice. Dip the entire fucking jug. There you go.
I bet this gets the girls dripping.
You can taste the calories. Why the fuck do we measure food in calories?
I don't know.
Why don't we come up with a better word like measuring food in?
Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and the subscribe. Oh, did you want to say anything else?
Socialism isn't good.
Right. Socialism isn't good. See you later, losers. Winners. Dad.